Assalamu alaikum.
Join us for an exciting quiz video on the seerah, life, of Prophet Muhammad. Peace be upon him and the teachings of Islam.
What special food did Hashim first offer to the pilgrims? Sopped bread in broth. Who was Hashim's wife who later gave birth to Abdul Muttalib? Salma. Which service did Hashim provide to the pilgrims? Food and water. Who took over the care of pilgrims after Hashim's death? His Al-Muttalib. What did the people of Mecca initially think when they saw Abdul Muttalib with his uncle? A. Slave. How did Al-Muttalib clarify Abdul Muttalib's identity to the Meccans? Hashim's son. Who seized the charges of the pilgrims away from Abdul Muttalib later? Naufal. Who came to Abdul Muttalib's aid with 80 horsemen? Abu Sa'd bin Adi. Which tribe later allied with Banu Hashim against Banu Abd Shams? Khuza'ah. Who saw the Zamzam well in a dream and dug it? Abdul Muttalib. When Abdul Muttalib dug for Zamzam, what did he find buried there? Swords, armor, and 2 gold deer. What did Abdul Muttalib do with the gold swords and deer he found? Made the Kaaba's gate from them. What vow did Abdul Muttalib make after finding Zamzam water? Sacrifice one of his children if he had 10. Who was the Abyssinian viceroy that built a church in Sana'a to divert pilgrims? Abraha. What did the man from Canaan do to Abraha's church? He smeared excrement on its wall. About how many warriors did Abraha's army have? $60,000. How did Allah protect the Kaaba from Abraha's army? Birds dropped stones on them. How many stones did each bird carry when they attacked Abraha's army? 3 stones. What happened to Abraha's lead elephant near Mecca? Knelt down and refused to go forward. In which Islamic month did the elephant event occur? Muharram. Thank you for watching. Subscribe for daily video seerah. Quranic Arabic. Like, share and hit the bell.